What's up YouTube, it's your boy Car Adventure Reg and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, man, we're gonna do a freeway POV drive. And we finna just mob out, man. We just finna see what today brings. I need to record a video, so this is what I came up with, just like the G37. So hopefully we could find somebody who wanna do a run or whatever, but if not, we're just gonna be mobbing. So let's go ahead and start the whip. This thing sound good, bro. And for all the new viewers who don't know what type of exhaust setup, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you right now. I have a muffler delete with one vibrant resonator, stock wide pipe with the cat still on. Give y'all a rev. Woo! All right, let's get into the POV drive. Put the seatbelt on. Things sound good, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. Like I always tell people, it does no justice on the camera. I ain't gonna lie though, fun fact, I really wanted a SC 300, bro. I ain't gonna lie, like before I had bought the G35, I was really looking at those cars. Like I was set on getting me a SC 300 or a 400. It really didn't matter. I really wanted a SC. I still want one down the line. Like I still would like to own one. So y'all could expect the SC like in the future for sure. Guy in the SC. But I ain't gonna lie, y'all, like if you want the muffler delete vibrant resonator, pretty much the same setup I got, just know it's gonna be a little drony. I ain't gonna lie, like this exhaust setup is drony. It's not crazy loud, but it is loud. Just so you know. Pops, bro, it's everything. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but that's what I was talking about. So it's for sure a little drony. I ain't gonna lie. One thing that's underrated in this car to me is the handling. This car can take corners really good, man. And this is without the strut bar. This is without sway bars or any suspension like modding I haven't did to this car, but this car can really take good cornering, man. Not gonna lie, like this car can take the turns already. So I'm excited to see like eventually when I put the sway bars on there, strut bar, and you know, do some work to suspension, how good it will be at corners and how fast I could really take it. So I'm really excited about that. But man, it's so crowded to I can't even do nothing, like can't even like get a good pull in. But we gotta get gas anyway. As y'all can see, I'm almost on E, so we gotta stop for a pit stop and get some gas. G37 right here, or is that a G35? G35 HR. I got the old schools out today. They clean. gas station packed. Oh, a Viper. That thing is so clean. I ain't never seen a Viper in person. What the heck? Bruh, that thing is so clean. Hell, I ain't never seen a Viper in person. It's clean. Ain't gonna lie, it's clean. Oh, what the hell? Oh, yep. Always throw 91 up in here, y'all. Thing is clean, bro. I've never seen a old school Viper before. I ain't gonna lie, the only thing that's like a big adjustment going from the G37 to the G35 is that it's no push start. I'll be looking for the push start all the time. Cool little half a tank. Probably gonna be down today. Ooh, look at people bringing out the old schools today. What's going on today? Why am I seeing so many old schools? Or is it just that time of the year? I think it's probably just that time of the year. Woo! Man. Let's do it. I think it's something going on. It gotta be something going on. Look, another one. If y'all can see it, oh, they're coming right behind me. Never mind. It gotta be something going on today. It gotta be. I ain't gonna lie, this is where the legend come in, y'all. Like, I want my legend to be like that car to be like, oh, ah, you know what I'm saying? Like, where everybody looking like it already get those looks, but I already know when I put the gold BBS's on it, the gold trim, and everything. Hold on. Hold on, man. We got something under there too. We got something under there too. Go, man. Nice little pull in for y'all. Nice little pull. Finally we can do a nice good pull. Got a little Mozzie right here. People bringing the whips out today. The one thing I really do love about this exhaust is the pops, man. I don't think y'all can really hear it, but man, this car be popping a lot. I know when I revved it, I know y'all heard the pops right there, but man, these pops is everything to me. I ain't gonna lie, the pops is everything. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, like, the car is not like extremely fast, but it's real fun to drive. It's real fun to drive. I really can't wait till I throw the mods that I'm planning on putting on this car. I'm actually gonna be ordering those parts within the next couple of months. I say probably 2 months from now, recording this video, I should be going ahead and ordering my first set of the performance mods that I want to put on this car. So you guys will find out, because I'm gonna make a video about what I order and all that other stuff. So definitely stay tuned onto the channel, because this car will be the car I'm doing everything to. I want to do performance mods. I'm going to put wheels on here. I'm going to do a whole bunch of stuff. So definitely stay tuned onto my channel. I got a whole lot of stuff coming, but this is going to be the ending of this video. Starting to get a little bit more crowded on the freeway, and it's a little hot out here. I don't really want to push my car that much. You know, I ain't gonna lie, like, I don't like to beat on it that much, especially when it's, you know, a little hot. So, and I want to turn on the AC, but to get good power, you gotta have the AC off. So I want to turn on the AC. I'm getting a little hot up in here. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said in the beginning of this year, I want to drop more driving videos, so you guys may see videos like this occasionally popping up, because I like to drive and I like just to see what can I get into. Like, I literally didn't have no direction, but like, I'm just getting on the freeway. I'm about to go to Mark House right now. I'm like, let me just turn on the camera and just see what I could get into, like I did with the G35. So we saw the Viper. Well, I hope y'all got to see the Viper with the GoPro. I hope it caught it, because I got the GoPro kind of facing down so y'all can see the speedometer really good. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, go ahead and leave me a like right now. And also, I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and you guys can help out by simply subscribing if you haven't subscribed yet, liking the video, commenting, getting engagement up. I want to go crazy. I want to take this channel to the next level. I want to take it to the next level, but that all depends on you guys. That LS up there going crazy. That LS 460, he in and out of lanes, but that all depends on you guys. I want to post more. I want to do a lot of things to all my cars on the channel. And there go the, ooh, you better chill. He better chill. The boys is on. The boys is on the freeway. Watch out, because the boys is on the freeway. Yeah, he cool now. He said, yeah, I'm about to just kick back and chill now. Yeah, you gotta chill now. All right, y'all. Anyways, my bad, the camera cut off. But like I said, like this video, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Join the adventure. Let's go crazy. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.